Hi, I'm Jules from Bonnie Bakery, and today we're making the viral Dubai chocolate bar. This recipe has exploded since I posted it on the website, so I thought it was high time I make a video to go along with it. If you haven't tried this yet, you are absolutely missing out. It is decadent chocolate with a really crunchy, sweet pistachio filling. It's so good. It's really easy to make, but it's so viral that there are a lot of incorrect recipes out there, but this one is going to show you exactly how to make it perfectly. So for the ingredients, we're going to use some dried shredded Kataifi. This is kind of like shredded phyllo dough. You can buy it online or in specialty grocery stores. Look for the dried chopped kind if you can, but if yours isn't chopped, you just want to cut it into small pieces like this. Then we're going to use some pistachio cream. It's really important to notice the difference here. This is pistachio cream, not pistachio paste. A lot of recipes will tell you to use pistachio paste like it's the same. It's not. This is a sweet spread that has a bunch of other ingredients in it, whereas pistachio paste is just pure pistachio nut butter. If you use that, your filling isn't going to be very sweet. It just won't be nice. Then we have some real chocolate over here. So I like to use dark chocolate for this bar because it offsets the sweetness a little, but you can also use milk chocolate. The important thing is that it's real chocolate, not chocolate chips or a chocolate candy bar, because those have stabilizers in them that mean they won't melt properly. Then we have some unsalted butter, a little bit of salt, and some tahini. We're using some really deep silicone chocolate molds here. The depth is so that you can make sure that there's lots of nice thick filling in every single bite, and the silicone it helps to release more easily once the chocolate bars are set. Alright, so let's make it. Melt the butter in a large frying pan over medium heat, then add the Kataifi and cook until it's a lovely golden toasted colour. This should take about 10 minutes, and it's important to get it fully toasted so it keeps the irresistible crispy texture in the filling. Set it aside, and in a separate bowl mix together the pistachio cream, tahini and salt. Pistachio cream is gorgeously soft, but if yours is too thick to stir, you can heat it in the microwave for a few seconds to soften it up. Add the toasted Kataifi to the pistachio mixture and stir everything together until combined. Now it's time to prepare the chocolate bar. If you'd like to, you can decorate the chocolate mold for a pretty design on the bar. There are lots of methods for doing this, but I find the easiest is mixing a little bit of edible luster dust with water and splashing it onto the mold with a paintbrush. I highly recommend tempering your chocolate for a shiny and professional finish. It's easier to do than you think. I have a full post about how to temper chocolate, which I'll link below, but for a quick microwave method, put 2/3 of the chopped chocolate in a plastic bowl and melt in 30-second blasts in the microwave, stirring in between. Once it's almost fully melted, add the reserved chocolate a little at a time until it stops melting easily. Test if it's tempered by drizzling a little chocolate onto parchment paper. It should set within about a minute or two. Pour your tempered chocolate into the mold and tilt it to coat all the sides. Tip the mold upside down over the bowl to get rid of any excess chocolate. Let the chocolate set. Fill the chocolate bar with the pistachio filling, being careful not to overfill it or it won't have a flat bottom. Then pour the remaining chocolate on top to seal and clean up the edges with a bench scraper or spatula. Leave them to set or put them in the fridge if you're impatient like I am. Once they're completely set, turn your chocolate out of the mold carefully. So that is it for our Dubai chocolate bar. How beautiful is this? I cannot wait to eat this. I honestly just wanted to eat the filling out of the bowl, but we're going to eat it now. Oh my god. It's all of my food, but it's worth it. That filling is so crispy and sweet and pistachio-y. It's like, seriously, if you haven't tried this yet, you have to. It is so unique and so delicious. I don't even want to talk. I just want to keep eating. Okay, that was the Dubai chocolate bar. Honestly, I can see why this is so viral and why it's taken off so well on the website. If you try any recipe of mine, please give this one a go. It's so delicious. Thank you so much for watching how we make this Dubai chocolate bar. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments or on the blog post, and I'll see you next week for another bake. Happy baking!